Zaks Auto, this is Jake.
Hey, Jake, it's Kristen. I can't come in today with all this snow. You didn't remind me to put my snow tires on.
Kristen, you own an automotive repair shop with top-of-the-line equipment and access to every tire imaginable.
Well, I know, but you still need to remind me. How soon can you get me the tires?
Be here by 10 a.m. tomorrow with bagels, and we'll handle it.
I'm here.
All right, boss lady, we'll get you in right away. We'll do a full winter health check over and make sure I didn't forget anything else.
Winter driving can be unpredictable. Snow and ice make roads slippery, increasing your chances of losing control. That's where snow tires come in. Snow tires are specially designed with deeper tread patterns and softer rubber compounds, giving you better grip and handling on cold, icy surfaces compared to regular or all-season tires. Snow tires don't just protect your car, they protect you and your loved ones. So as winter approaches, don't take chances. Equip your vehicle with snow tires and drive confidently, even in the worst conditions.